I think from the word go, MS got it wrong. Abbas.
I'd slightly disagree with you, Vivek, there, because if you see Eden Gardens, most of the wins, 5 wins, have come from chase. And most of the times during the Pepsi IPL, the teams which have been chasing have been able to win. The same story we saw last time when KKR was able to successfully chase a mammoth score such as this. I think it's all about bringing the thing together. I think his decision was fine. Maybe it's resulting now because they have not been able to perform. Had they won it, things would have been different. But yes, credit going out to the Mumbai team for playing so well. And मेरे भाई हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. And Dhoni and his team are definitely बाजीगर्स. वो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत शायरी है. It's like महेंद्र सिंह धोनी पिच को वो फूल समझा था, एक्चुअली वो थे कांटे. जख्म तो आना ही था मेरे हाथों पर, जख्म तो आना ही था मेरे हाथों पर, मैंने कभी फूल को छुआ कांटों समझकर.
क्या बात है MC. Last probably show on Sakat Slam Bang and your
Shairis are still gonna come, my friend.
yeah, of course, not probably last of Sakat Slam Bang. But Abbas, great things to learn from other teams from Mumbai. That one, they were never the contenders for the playoffs. Two, they beat Chennai twice in this tournament, and they've more than that, convincingly. Three, the kind of fight and spirit they've shown in the competitive cricket they've played. So, I mean, it now goes on to show that, let's remove this title that indomitable, unbeatable. You play good cricket, you can beat them.
Absolutely, no doubt. Like they say, everybody loves, being the rookie and coming out against, being the underdog, playing the favorites and being able to win against them is a fantastic feeling. It's probably like in the last World Cup we had, it's like India beating Australia, and winning the World Cup. That's always good, and most of them favor the underdog. And life is a learning process, my friend. Everyone needs to learn, especially RCB. They got to do their SWOT analysis and get it right. And like I was telling you in the Twitter handle, I happened to read a couple of things, that his decision has gone absolutely wrong. Like they say, लम्हों ने खता की थी, मेरे भाई, लम्हों ने खता की थी, सदियों ने सजा पाई. धोनी के उस एक डिसीजन ने काफ़ी कुछ कर दिया, but then again, not being able to get enough support. Like they say, हर किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता. You can't have everything. किसी को ज़मीन तो किसी को आसमान नहीं मिलता. हम तो सबसे दिल से मिलते हैं, मगर किसी से दिल नहीं मिलते, तो कोई दिल से मिलने वाला नहीं मिलता. There was a fun fact, Vivek, I'd like to share. When IPL was defined, there was this one very smart, witty guy on Twitter happened to say, IPL is 7 teams fighting all through to play Chennai Super Kings in the final. That is how indomitable they've been. That's how fantastic they've been. That, okay, you're going to play Chennai in the final, the rest of you fight till you meet Chennai in the final. I think that they are definitely the Mukaddar ke Sikandar.
If you put Thank you, Prashant. Okay, last words, quick words about Mumbai's victory. MC.
Hearty congratulations going out to Mumbai. In fact, as the expert panelists had said previously, they definitely have a good fan following. All you need is a Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He comes out, waves out there, and fans go crazy. Sachin, Sachin, all the way. He is one legendary cricketer who's going to live forever. And the last words, with a very heavy heart, I'd like to say that I have the best wishes for our Sakat Slam Bang team. I made a rap for them. Move to the left and shake it to the right. Your Sakat Slam Bang is the name on the road to fame, to tame the lame and play the game. Vivek, my friend, thank you for being the best anchor our show could have. And of course, Sham, I'd like to say, what a fantastic cricketing knowledge, fantastic
emotional touching moments.
Definitely touching moment. आखिर में हमारे सारे viewers के लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगा, चलते चलते मेरे ये शायरी याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. Signing off, this is me, your MC Abbas, keeping your prayers, singing sayonara. Thank you.
Very nice. Sham, you